My agency closed 10 lakhs deal last year, one of the highest deals, and the lead converted from a LinkedIn cold DM. So I thought, why not to make a video on how to grow fast on LinkedIn and get high quality clients, because my business comes 80% from LinkedIn only. But why LinkedIn? So LinkedIn has three major benefits over others. Number one, low maintenance and time. For growing Instagram and YouTube, it really take hours. But LinkedIn, you can literally schedule everything in one day for whole week. Second, because LinkedIn is a professional platform, people expect to pitch. People expect you will cold DM because there is no hard and fast rules. But on IG, wherever you have to be a bit friendly and you can't just straight away cold pitch. But on LinkedIn, it's a professional platform, so acceptance rate is quite high. And third, most important and my favorite, because we know there are a lot of introverts in the start. So without posting your videos or showing your pictures, just with good carousels, polls, and having a good strategy, you can grow on LinkedIn. Now I'll talk to you a bit about my journey so far. I started in 2020, March, COVID when just hit. And I started posting content on LinkedIn and got a really good response because I was sharing my stories and experiences there. So people were literally DMing me like, the way you write, we really like it. And can you write us for our businesses? And that's how I really get my first few projects. One of the first posts I remember got viral is of the grammar, because I started doing content writing for people and I was to write on LinkedIn just thinking too much in my head of my story and not making sure how people will take it. So many people don't like the grammar I used and they really trolled me for that, and I really don't like it. So I made a whole post that how a grammar cannot stop me writing. I will write it what I like it, whether you like it or not. And so many people relate to it because it's a very common problem in India till date. So yeah, that's how I started my journey. Then I learned content writing, copywriting, social media marketing, and I get into all of these things and I will start getting projects from LinkedIn, and I was very happy earning a few amount with my full-time job. Now comes to content. It is the key most part to grow on LinkedIn after profile. So you have to make sure that you are working on 4 types of content. Number 1 is educational, where you educate the content to the audience and you are not educating them, you're just showing the way you have worked out in life, the things you have learned. So you share your learnings, although we name it as educational content, but I feel it's like not a good name because you can't educate anyone on social media basically. If you think so, you're fooling yourself, but you can share what you have learned so far. So when I say educational content, I will share how I run my agency, how I make 4 videos on this YouTube channel, all on my experiences. Second comes the aspirational content, where you aspire the people what they want to be. So if I talk about like 6-figure agency or how I was juggling with the job and now I'm earning so much, so that's an aspiration content. Key people really like to see that what they can do after 4 years, 5 years, if there is a possibility also. Because I tell you, when I was in my college, when I was doing job, I've never thought that there can be a time where I can earn working from home. I can't even just think at that moment. But now it's my reality. So yeah, I mean, aspirational content really works. And third is storytelling, which is kind of sharing a lot of stories on your experiences, personal stories, deep-hearted, the thing which has really like changed your life. It's like turning moments. And fourth is obviously selling and promotional content, where you directly pitch that you offer these services, you offer that, and you can directly put in as a CT. And the last thing is put the leads, put the links in the comments and not in the caption. This is very important on LinkedIn. So that's how you can grow. I think if you apply all these steps, and the last tip and the hack which I'll give you in the end of the video, so stay tuned till that. But the thing is, if you do all of this, you can really grow your profile very, very soon. And the third step is the cold DMs, just to get out of the business. So what happened to me last year, I thought that inbound is not sufficient, I have to go and do cold DMs. And I started, and you can't believe it, the deal which I talked in the intro is from a cold DM. So I just wrote a message to the person, so he get on a call with me, and then he offered me doing his personal branding, and he liked it so much. Within 2 months he handled me entire marketing, like the social media marketing, the performance marketing, and it was like literally we worked with him for 6 months and he paid me 10 lakhs, which is a huge amount. So yeah, I mean, if you are strategic and smart, you can really convert your cold DMs. And also you can click on I button to see the whole video. I have explained in detail with the outreach messages what I have used so far. So yeah, use all the strategies which I have told you in this video, and I'm sure you will get few clients in 1 month only, but you have to be very disciplined. And yeah, tell me in the comments if you have any query regarding LinkedIn, or even you can connect me on LinkedIn, and I'm very active there, so just drop me the message. And now the last hack which I discussed about the content. Be a good observer. If you can make 10 competitors profiles, and if you can observe their content, like how they're writing the hooks, how they're writing the captions, believe me, your brain like to recognize patterns. So once they will see so many posts, good posts with good engagement, they will automatically get it how they can write it. So invest 1 or 2 hours just studying the good post on LinkedIn, and believe me, you will be able to write the great content on LinkedIn and can grow your profile. So